Hello my friend, I hope you are well. So this is the system I have updated. I'm still running locally, so I'll update. I'll update tomorrow. I worked very hard. The whole night I worked, and I made the system. So I want to show you today, so you can do all those experiment by yourself. Okay, so let's see how does this system work. First of all, you have this admin access MD. I'll change this to your email if you want, no problem. And the password is T with uppercase TEST 1234. Let me write it here. TEST 1234. This is the password for admin. This is the super user. Okay, so you do like this, and this is how you log in. After login, you have all access to booking, services, customers, users, detailers. So let's go to customers. In customers, you have option for service category. In service, you have option for service category, vehicle type, service price, service feature. So let me add a category. So let's add it. Okay, wait a minute. Just okay. Let me add a category. Category cat 1. So create it. You see the category 1 has been created. If you want to update it, you can just delete it or update it. Okay, this is how you can update. Okay, now go to vehicle types. There are 3 types of vehicle currently you have, but you can create more. So let me do it. I'm going to create custom vehicle. So let's do it, and we can set a price for this custom vehicle. Moreover, we can delete any packages you want. I can delete this custom vehicle, but now I'm just going to set a price for that custom vehicle. So let me create service. I'm going to set a service, but let me select this custom vehicle. For custom vehicle, I'm going to set 150 USD. Okay, so the service I want to include is, I'll create a service and include that. Okay, no problem with that, but actually I can't do it. First of all, I need to create the service. Otherwise, I need to select the existing one. For example, I selected custom vehicle. Either I select a existing one. For example, let me select this, the deep clean, and create. We can do like this. Deep clean, where is the 150 price we have made? Let me search 150. The yeah, deep clean, this is the price we have set. Now if we go to this services, under this deep clean we have that price, and we can add as much as add-on services as we want. Here are all of our add-on services. All goes same for this add-on services. We can add, delete. Let me create a service. Actually, I'm going to create a service. The service name will be custom service. With this custom service, I'll have a category of cat on update. This is the description. Custom category update. Okay, the minimum minimum estimated time will be 45 minutes, and maximum will be uh, 60. Okay, now the vehicle prices track what we have. Actually, this is not dynamic. I'll make it dynamic. Vehicle type prices, this should be dynamic for now. Therefore I'm just you can, if I make it dynamic, you can just control and click for multiple selection. Those three packages will be in these services. This is vehicle type price, and this is the feature we are going to have. We have all the feature we have made. For example, I'm going to select this one, and this one. Let's create a service. We have created this custom services. If you want to create a service feature, you can do it. Just click on this service feature and create a new feature. For example, I'm going to name a feature custom feature, and I'm going to select service, custom service. Okay, yeah, it is been created. Let me show you custom services. Okay, now for user, you can see all the users we have in our system here. Sometime it might take little bit time, but once I upload it at the end to the server, it will be very faster. Okay, so once you click on the server, you can see all those user we have user. This is a customer type of user. You can see this is a detailer type of user. This is admin, actually myself. So you can see all those user. If you want to edit, you can edit it or delete it. I'm going to create a new user. For example, I'm going to create a detailer, new detailer. Actually, let me make it more okay, let me make it more logical name. So Kylian Mbappe, your favorite player. Okay, so email, you can set any email, mbappe@gmail.com. Okay, this is the mail I'm going to set. Let me just copy this mail for now, so I won't forget. And the password I'm going to set is test 1 2 3 4, and again, and the role for this user is going to be detailer, and you must click on this is active and is validated in order to create a detailer. Okay, if you want if you want to give permission to admin or staff, you can just click here, but I'm not going to give that. And for group and user permission, just leave it blank for now. Create. Okay, I'm just debugging it. Okay, it should work perfectly. Now it is working perfectly. Let me, yeah, here is the detailer, here is the user I have created. So let me go to this detailer tab. Yeah, Yeah, here is my detailer tab. In here you can see only detailers, and if you click on this customer, you can see only customers. There won't be any detailer or any admin in this customer tab. Okay, yeah, we have only one customer. I'm going to create another one, no problem with that. uh, Services bookings. Oh, you can see all the bookings we have. I'll show you how you can create bookings, or how you can change the status for booking, or change the detailer. For example, here is the booking for this service, and this is just initialized. You can change it to pending, completed, or cancelled. For example, I'm going to make it cancel. I guess it goes at the last. Let me make it for this one. Okay, okay, deep clean, this one. Let's go for this one. Pending, I'm going to make it. Okay, let me just reload the page. For now, if anything went wrong, just reload the page. I'm going to reload it again. Actually, this thing is happening because I set the time for log. I set the time for login session maybe 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes it will be automatically log out to make it more secure. Okay, so here let's make it cancelled or completed. Let's work with this one. Okay, so I'm just going to make it cancelled. Yeah, I guess it is working. Is it working? Let me make it pending. Yeah, it is working. I'll show you, but it is working, believe me. And these are all bookings we have currently. We can set a detailer. A detailer will be automatically set if the detailer is available. He has no booking, then it will be automatically assigned. Otherwise, a admin can manually set the detailer for a booking. Okay, so I'm going to set it to this one. Okay, let me change it to 11. Yeah, it should work now. Actually, whatever I'm changing, for example, I'm changing this one is going down to the bottom at this point. Okay, so let me do it. Let me change the detailer to 5. Yeah, now see, this should be 5. Yeah, this one is 5, and I can change this to pending. Yeah, it is staying here. Okay, so let me just sign out. Afterward, go to the home page of our website. Okay, now here, in here we have all the packages. Let me click on this packages again. Yeah, it is working. Okay, we have all those packages. We have this custom package, custom service. For example, there is no package selected it, or no add-on selected. I'm just making it tax 8%. Actually it won't be counted, just for this text. Okay, let me select a package. I'll select the date 28 and available slot. Here are the available slot. I can select all those vehicle pricing. For example, I'll select 175 and add to cart. Okay, it should be added. Yeah, it is added to the cart. If I want to remove, then I can just click here. Again, I'll select the same one, select package. Actually it might get the error. I'll fix it and select the package. I'll select 29th available slot, and this time I'll select 160. Let's work with it. And here we have all the add-ons. For example, we can select multiple add-ons for a specific package. If you want something else, or if you want some other system or function differently, then let me know. I'm just showing you so you can clarify me how you want those things working. Okay, afterward proceed to booking. Since I'm not signing it, so I need to sign in order to proceed. Okay, so let me just copy this email. I'll register first. I don't have an account with this website, therefore I'm going to register. Okay, once you click on this register, let me write my name, MD Shamsud Joha, and the password will be test1234. Okay, again TEST1234. Register. And once you click on this register, a sign up email, validation email will be sent to the mail. So let me check it. Gmail, and this is the mail we got. Just click here, it will be automatically activated. So the account will be activated once you click here. It will redirect to login page, and this is the username and this is the password. I'm going to put 1234. Okay, login. Now I'm going to go to home page again. Here you can see the checkout page. Once I click here, we will be redirected to checkout page. Yeah, we are in the checkout page. This is the checkout page. We can just select the booking. We can see all the bookings we have. Since we don't have any bookings, we are going to create a booking. Okay, yeah, actually we have a booking, but it is just initialized state. We need to pay in order to make it pending. Okay, it will be pending automatically actually. So you can just calculate the price. 200 plus 100 is 300, 300 475 plus 50 is 525. This is the total price. Okay, this is the subtotal, and this is where you need to put your card information. We are using a Stripe test account, therefore we can just test using Stripe with this account. A real account won't work on this. Just 4242. You need to create a Stripe account and give me the access key and secret key. I'll set the real account. Just changing those key will work perfectly. Okay, and this is for testing 5 6 7, and I'm selecting my country Bangladesh. Pay now. I'm clicking on pay now. Yeah, again I was just debugging. Let me remove those debugging mode. let's see. Yeah, we should have a booking. Yeah, we have a booking, but this time it is pending. I guess I'm getting two. This should be one. Okay, no problem, I'll fix that. I got a few issue, no problem, I'll fix all of them. And after checkout, you see we have add-ons detailer. Here is the catch: we have successfully paid the money and a detailer automatically assigned to us. This detailer is not assigned currently, is not assigned to any other bookings, therefore it is automatically assigned to us. So I'm going to log in as this detailer. Okay, so let me just go to this detailer, d2 at the rate. I haven't created any chat function yet. As I said, I'll create in a few days. Okay, test 1 2 3 4 login. This is my detailer account. I should have a booking since I am automatically assigned to a booking. Okay, I'm getting a issue, no problem, I'll fix that. Again, I'll log in as admin. I'm just logging in as admin, and it will be automatically redirect me to the admin panel. From here we have these bookings. We have bookings for custom services, I guess. Here is the custom services. Now I'll select a detailer. The detailer I'm going to select is Kylian Mbappe. Okay, this one I have selected. Again, I'm going to make it actually not this one. I guess I have another booking, custom service. Yeah, this one. I was just talking about this one. I'm going to select it to Kylian Mbappe, and this is currently pending. Yeah, it is pending. And another one that is automatically created, I'm going to delete that. Okay, so custom service, where is it? Custom service, I guess. Yeah, here it is. I don't want to select any detailer. Okay, let's put it on detailer on, and this is Kylian Mbappe. And all those bookings we have, let me just log out, and again I'm going to log in as Kylian Mbappe, which is a detailer, I have created, and I'm going to log in as Kylian Mbappe. Invalid credential. Okay, something went wrong. Let me put the credential again. TEST1234 login. Okay, still getting an error. Okay, let's try resetting. Okay, let's try creating another detailer. I'm going to create another detailer, and I'll assign that booking or the job to the detailer. Okay, so let's create one. This time let's make it Lionel Messi, and Messi at the rate gmail.com, and the password will be again test1234, test1234, and the role will be detailer. This is validated, is active, and Messi at the rate gmail.com. Let's go for him. Create. Yeah, Messi has been created successfully, I guess. Yes, it is created successfully. Now this time I'm just going to I'll go to this bookings again, and in below here in custom service, yeah, here it is. In custom service I'll set it to Lionel Messi instead of Kylian Mbappe. Okay, now let me reload this. Let's see, does it stick or not. Okay, it's sticking. So let me sign out again, and I'll sign in as a Messi instead of Mbappe. Password will be test1234, TEST1234. Let's try this time. Still getting invalid credential. I guess something went wrong. Actually it was working, but somehow it is now not working. I'll fix that. I'm unable to log in as a detailer for now. I am unable to log in as a detailer for now, but I'll fix that. A few small issues we have right now, but I want to show you so you can make sure everything is on the right track, and if there is any error or if I'm going to the wrong track, let me know so I can make it better. Actually, detailer was working perfectly, just need to create a chat functionality. Once we I have logged in as detailer previously, and it was showing all of my bookings. And if you want to change anything else, let me know, I'll fix them, and I'll add chat functionality as soon as possible. Thank you for your